This song was generated by AI, the lyrics, the vocals, the music. Then this music video also built around it, all in one tool in about 10 minutes. You don't need any editing step there or timeline.
You got your hand on the dial, I got the map in my head, backseat full of bad ideas, and the moon above us red. Your name in the window glass, like a scar that won't let go. I keep one eye on the rear view.
I will show you exactly how you guys can use it. The tool I used is freebeat, an AI music video generator that turns any song into a music video in just one click. Let's head to freebeat.ai. If you use the link below in the description, you will get free credit to test the platform yourself. But first, let's walk through the interface so you know what you are working with. If you open the website, it looks intimidating at first. Trust me, there is a lot going on, but the UI is actually very simple. Most things are one click away. Up top, you have the navigation, editing tools, partners, testimonials, standard website stuff. The important part is in the center. This is where everything happens. One-click video creation lives right here. Let me walk you through the most important part. If you go to the tools section at top, the most important thing in here is the AI creative agents. These agents do the heavy lifting when you are creating videos. We will come back to it in a minute. They are the core of this platform. Next, the apps. That is where the variety lives. Music performance videos, dance videos, lyrics videos, lip sync videos, music generation, AI video generation, AI effects, ASMR. There's also stock footage, video upscaler, AI image generation with multiple models, and image upscaling tools. If you can think of it for music content, it's probably in here. Then there is free tools section. AI lyrics generation broke down by genre, rap, country, metal. Take your pick. Title generation, DJ name generation, AI cartoon generation, image describer, a lot more. Honestly, this section alone gives you more than enough to build a music video from scratch. Whatever you need is in here. But let me show you how to turn any song into a music video. Basically, not even a song idea into a music video. Head to the apps and select AI music generator. The setup is very simple. Select a model. I'm going to pick the Suno version 5. And then if you only want the instrumental sound without vocals, you can click this toggle button. But we want the full song, so I'm just going to deselect it. Just describe the song. Just describe the feeling of the song. For an example, I'm just going to type in here, cinematic, synth wave, moody male vocal, and 105 BPM, neon night drive. So the BPM stand for the beats per minute. It's how fast or slow the song feels. 105 is like steady, mid-tempo, slow enough to feel the moody, fast enough to drive. And yeah, that's the whole prompt. And then just hit and create. That's all, guys. So now the AI music creator took over, and it will take some time to create the song. Song is ready. It also generated a cover image. Click on it, you will see the full lyrics. We didn't supply any lyrics. You can, if you want to, but this time I just described the feeling of the song. Suno wrote the lyrics, generate the cover art, and most importantly, produce the track. All from that one short prompt. So let me play the song for you guys.
You got your hand on the dial, I got the map in my head, backseat full of bad ideas, and the moon above us red. Your
All right, pretty cool, right? So I'm not going to play you guys the old song, but I like it. I mean, it's turned out better than I thought. So now, next, let's create the video for this song. By the way, guys, if you guys are satisfied with this, you can straight away download from this download link. And then in here, you guys can see we can animate these songs, and sometimes they have these offers. So if you click this in here straight away, you will get 40% off. So these kind of offers are always available in this platform. So you can save quite a lot of money while working on this platform. So you can directly click this button to go and animate, or if you are normally doing this, you can go to the top menu bar and select the creative agents and select the music video agent. Now, this is the agent interface. From here onwards, everything will be done by the agents. First, we go up top. There is add music. Click on it. You will see music created by other people. If it's public, you can use it, or go to the second tab, that's your own created music. The track we just made is right here. Select it, you will see the full audio waveform below. Now choose the duration. You can do the full song in one go or do a shorter sample first to test. For this one, I'm going to select 30 seconds, drag the timeline to pick where you want it to end. I'm going to keep it until 32 seconds. All right, and then confirm. Now we set up how the video is going to look. First, character. You can pick up from default characters in here or upload your own. I will show you that part in the next step. For this, I'm going to pick the Joker character. After that, aspect ratio. If you are making it for mobile, choose 9:16. For YouTube, 16:9. I'm going to keep it wide. Resolution, I'm keeping it at 720p. Then the styles. Styles, this is where you pick the visual look. 2D animation, digital art, pixel art, Ghibli style, a lot of presets in here. For this video, I'm going to keep it 2D animation, cartoon style. Captions, if you want lyrics on your screen, you can turn this on, use your own font, design it yourself, or pick from a presets from here. I'm not going to add caption, so I'm just going to select no caption. And then the remove watermark, you have to select this. If you are a paid user, you can turn this one on. Free users, this option isn't available. Below you have the fast expert mode. Fast is quicker, but the quality can vary. Experts give you better output. Then auto, when auto is on, the agent takes over completely. No questions. If you turn it off, the agent will check in with you each step. You can review and adjust. This is up to you guys. I'm keeping it auto, so agent does everything itself. Last setting is private or public. Public means anyone on the platform can see your video. Private means it's only for you. And I'm going to keep it private, and that's it. Now we can enter the prompt. The prompt is basically you are just explaining the video and some keyframes in it. Then the agent will understand what is that is going to be. For an example, in this case, I'm just going to type here Joker's wild night through a cyberpunk dystopia, neon rooftops, sirens, dangerous freedom. And then once you guys type your basic prompt, you can see it's keep on adding it to it. So this is from the agent. It understood what it means. You can just click on tab if you agree with this prompt as well. So I like this one. So I'm just going to select the tab. And you can keep on adding it. See, it's giving more suggestions. It's gritty rains, slick atmosphere, intense close-up shots, and so on. So you can keep on adding it. I think I will add a couple of more. And from here onwards, it's enough. So, okay, so this is our basic prompt. Now, all we need to do is just create the video. From here onwards, the agent will take over. Since we selected auto, and make sure the video is private. All right, so now it's all up to the agent. As you guys can see, it has come up with a plan: input analyzing, music analyzing, styles and for framework, creative brief, reference images, scene planning, shot planning, storyboard, video clips, and finally merge together. So all of these agent will go through with one by one. It will take some time, so you can just leave it from as it is, or you can close your screen if you want to and come back, because it will run in the background. If you selected manual, for each step it will ask you questions you have to answer, then you have to be on your screen. All right, guys, so our video is finalized. It took me around 10 minutes to do this 40-second video. So here we have step by step. It has shown each step what it does, the agent. And then if you go below, here we have the video clips and the scene plan, etc. You can reference images. You can click on each of them. You can see the reference images we choose and what it came up with. So after everything is done, it created the clips. Then finally it merged all together, and this is our final video. Let me play for you guys. Let me put it full screen and let me play.
You got your hand on the dial, I got the map in my head. Backseat full of bad ideas, and the moon above us red. Your name in the window glass, like a scar that won't let go. I keep one eye on the rear view, one on the road below. Hold on, we're too far to turn.
Pretty cool, right? Just with one prompt, we have created the entire music video. Next part, you can also add your own character and make that character sing the song. This is called singing MV. By the way, MV stands for music video. Standard term you will see across the platform. For this, you use the same setup as before, but down at the bottom, you select singing MV instead of storytelling. With the add music, select the music you want. Again, I'm going to choose the same music we played earlier. Then go back into the character section. You can pick from your default characters or load your own character. I'm going to use my own DigiAI Studio avatar. Then I'm going to keep all the settings same as earlier. Then we need to enter a description about the character and the song. And for this, I'm going to enter a simple description. Bold man with a blue circuit tattoo on head, modern blue rimmed glasses, black goatee, wearing cyberpunk armor with glowing orange and blue accent. But same as earlier, you guys can see it's giving some suggestions as well. Just include the suggestion. The more suggestion you include, more it will know about what we want. The final video will look nicer. And again, I'm going to let the agent decide everything for us and generate the video. Let's keep it private and it will start doing the video. Again, it will start doing it magic. It will come up with the plan and it will go through with the plan step by step. But sometimes, guys, it will get stuck in between and ask you a few questions. Even if you put auto, I have gotten it a couple of times. If you close the window, you may not see it. So you have to come back again and select to go through with this, or you need to give your input. But most of the time, it will complete without any issue. Okay, guys, it has completed the video, and I must say, in between it stopped halfway, so I have to retry it. But it continued from where it stopped, and then there is one more time it did stop. Then I told it to finalize the video, and it will continue from that step. So now the video is finalized. As you can see, I'm going to play the video in here. Looks cool. And if you guys saw my earlier upload, I only upload the top portion of the avatar, but it has completed the avatar with the full body.
You got your hand on the dial. I got the map in my head. Backseat full of bad ideas. And the moon above us red. Your name in the window glass. Like a scar that won't let.
Okay, guys, you guys already saw this video earlier, so I'm not going to play again. So yeah, it looked nice. And the most important part is you just need to give a small portion of your character. If the character has the full view, it's even completing it. All right, guys, pretty cool, right? Okay, so one more thing. They also have a lot of visual effects. They call it Onbeat Effects. They are great for social media content. This is actually pretty cool. They have so many different effects, action, movements, viral video style, the kind of animation you always see on social media. There's a lot. You can pick one, upload your character, and make it do whatever the effect does. Let me show you a quick example. I'm picking one of these effects. Let's go with the silly bird shimmy. This is a viral social media dance. Now replace the original image with your own. Again, I'm using my avatar. You don't even need to enter any prompt. Just make sure the watermark is removed and just hit create. The agent will take over and builds the rest. And here we go. The final video is ready. Let's play it. The final video is ready. Let's play it. There you go. Our avatar doing the famous viral dance. You guys can use this kind of content for your social media. It just take like a couple of seconds to do these kind of videos. One last thing, you don't even need to download songs to use this platform. You can directly grab songs from YouTube, TikTok, Suno, Audio, SoundCloud. Just paste the link in here. The platform pulls the audio automatically, then you build the video around it. For an example, I'm using this royalty-free YouTube video. Copy the link, paste it in here. It loads into the agent window. From here, you can create the video the same way we did earlier. And one last thing, guys, if you guys created your final video and if you created the video in, let's say, 720p, and if you want to upscale it to 180p or 4K video, you can do that in here as well. You can go to the apps in here and select the video upscaler. Just simply go in here and select the video. I'm going to select the Joker version of the video. And you can select the upscale factor. So from 720p to 2 will be double width, which is full HD. If you select 4 times, it will be 4K. The target frames per second, original is 24. We can make it 60 or 30. I'm going to make it 60 is the maximum, I think. All right, so let's see how it will look. All right, then just upscale the video. And here is the final results, upscaled to 4K, same video, sharp details, ready for any platform. Honestly, for 10 minutes of work and one prompt, this is really hard to beat. That's it for this one, guys. If you want to try it yourself, the link is in the description. Use my code for 10% off for Pro members. You will also get some free credit to test it out before committing. Freebeat is genuinely one of the best AI video and music generator I have used for song idea to finish music video in one click, in one tool. Give it a try, guys. Let me know what you create. See you guys in the next one.
Too far to turn.